Constantly surrounded by attractive, clever, funny guys. By each metric they are better than I could ever hope to be. Eventually they'll find a match who will think they are the biggest catch. But I don't know why someone would waste their precious time on me. My baby likes my company, she wants to hold my hand. She even says she loves me, but I just don't understand. Although for now she's by my side, I know that cannot last. I can feel the end is coming, and it is coming oh so fast.